Hello everyone. In this video, we'll talk about CTNT stock and key level to watch May 1, 2026. In the last trading session, the stock farm days doji candle closed at $3.26. On the weekly time frame, the stock trading at its all-time low, so it could go lower. The key resistance level is $11.98. If the price breaks above $11.98, it could test $204.69. That's my view on CTNT stock today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more update. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.